Good morning, ma'am. My name is Verano Jaquilo, and I am a group 10 members. So the title is Various Genres and Music. So I'm here to explain the meaning all music. First is alternative music. The alternative rock, at first it was the cat's all label in the 80s for bands that don't fit pop, hair metal, or classic rock radio. These bands were usually on in idle labels, play college radio, and care more about vibe layers than making radio hits. Second is anime music. Anime music, song used in anime as openings, up endings, insert song and background scores because anime covers every genre from romance to myth. Honor the music, that's too bad their patterns. The third is blues. Blues start late 180s deep south from Black Africa communities. It came from field haulers, work songs, particulars, and African music regions in music about life, hard, love, loss, whiskey, bad luck, good time, sometimes funny, sometimes raw. The fourth is children music. Children music anime is age to 12. The goal is just entertain. It is usually education, development, or just helping parents survive. Car rides. It can be original songs or kid-friendly version of existing games. The fifth is classical music. The classical music is two meanings. One, big classical, C, classical music. From the classical period, early, little classical, cuts, all for Western art music. From the middle hands to modern film scores, that how much people use it. And the sixth is comedy music. The comedy music, funny songs, that music itself might be serious, parody, or dumb on purpose, but the layers and performance are around. Humor, it's been around forever, for court gestures to word to TikTok songs or skits. And the seven is commercial music. The commercial music designed for mass and profit. It's not it's category mass pop, hip hop, country, and the radio. Commercial labels, brand, films, ads used to make money or sell sometimes. Commercial music, one's biggest audience possible. So that's all my topics.
Country music. It's also known as country and the West or hillbilly music. It started in the United States in the 1920s and came to the hybrid of American folk music and the blues. Country's music generally has simple turn of lyrics with bass musical structure. So the country's music was the create in United States on 1920s. So kibali ang 1980 ang country music na nabuo siya tong dito tong sa United States 1920s na year. So kibali usa kini sa combustion sa folk music o sa blues. Ang kanta kasagaran simple ra na pagkatuno ug pulong og nindot paminawon kasagaran gamiton dinhi sa mga instrumental sama sa banjo, gitara, fiddler o harmonika. Ang pulong sa mga country mahimog sikat ngadtong 1940s ug mas ganahan sila ini kaysa ability in music nagpadayon kini sa nausab og karon daghan na ini nga mga klase. So ang mga example diani sa country music ay ang usa diana alternative country, sanan America, Australia country, Beaconsfield sound and bluegrass ug uban pa. So number 9. Ang number 9 niya ay kuan tawag ng electronic music. A form of electronic constant of the sound produced of oscillating electric current either controlling on for instrument panel of keyboard or pre-record of on mechanic tape. So actually kung sabot ra dian na tuod ang kanang electronic music matag sa musika na gihimo gamit sa mga kuryente o electronic himan kontrolado pinaagi lang sa panel o keyboard o kan gi-record na daan. So kibali ang mga kuan nga na example kibali nila kay naa dira ang gitawag nato ambient chord, tapos down tempo o electronical o uban pa na mga kuan sa electronic music. So number 10 kay income music. In the unquality Japanese style of music that popular with the older generation of Japanese in particular. As a income music singer, dress in traditional Japanese ikonomo during their performance and sing slow ballads and barato style. You might then that ika in the very unclient from the Japanese singer all truth ika just have a roots of traditional Japanese music in actual and culture pop music phenomenon development during the 20th century. So kibali ang income music popular lang yun sa Japanese style of music. Kani mao ni ang old generation sa Japanese particular as the singer mag-dress sila ng traditional Japanese na kumuno ang pangalan during pag mag-perform sila. Tapos maghinay-hinay sila og kanta tapos mag-billers and barato style. Pagkahampan nga na you can might to Erika is very unclient from the Japanese singer. So kibali ang kuan gyud na purpose gyud sa kuan usa na kana sa kuan sa mga sa Japan bitaw na ingana gyud ang ila kuan ang ila mga pagkanta o pag suot kay ang tradition gyud sa mga Japanese kay ingana man di man sila para sa uban na magkita-kita ang ilang mga kuan kay kuan man sa tradition nila samot na karon sa tawag na naanta sa kanang modern dili gid matangtang gyud ang kuan sa Japanese kay mamay na population. So next, number 11, hip hop rap. Hip hop rap is term used of reference of the culture move created by Africa, America, Caribbean America, and Latino America in the 1970s. Its reference to the hip hop music, including rap. Hip hop has four primary element and 5 secondary element. The four primary element has essential of understanding hip hop musical, while the remaining it's are not necessary of musicality but are still prominent. So pasabot to din aning hip hop, ginagamit ning hip hop sa bawat mga culture nato, pulong o para sa culture nga gisinungdan sa mga ang nagkuan din ang naghimo to nga ni o nakagama ang pinakauna gyud ang Africa America. Sila gyud tapos nisundan din sila sa kuan Caribbean America ug Latino America. Niadtong 1970s og adunay upat kini nga importante bahin sa hip hop nga kinahanglan masabtan og 5 ka mga dungag nga dili kaayo importante pero anaa gihapon. So kana sila. So ang lima agatong nga gipanglitaw na tong upat na kinahanglan o katong 5 na tawag na 5 na madungog na dili importante pero anaa gihapon. So mao na ang pinakauna, alternative hip hop. Tapos ikaduha, avant-garde. Tapos bouncy, chop hip hop, Christian hip hop, tapos concussion hip hop, country rap, tapos crackcore and many more. Iban pa. So mao nang pasabot sa hip hop ug rap. So number 12, holiday music refers from the spiritual of celebrate and often managed to be both at once. The artists in this category, such as the Trans-Siberian Orchestra, and known mostly for seasonal music, but you also find holiday track and album by performance from a wide variety of style. So pasabot diha na ang holiday music daw kalain-lain kini gikan sa reliyon hangtod sa malipayon nga mga artist dinhi, sama sa kanang gitawag nila na track Siberian Orchestra na ilhan tungod sa mga musika para sa okasyon. Pero sa kanang gitawag din ni holiday, awat siguro na sa mga tawag to festival, kanang mga celebrate, kanang mga sinulog, either or sa mga Halloween, kuan kibalit din sila mga Christian, Thanksgiving. O ang mga example to din nga ni kay ang Eastern, Halloween, holiday, other Thanksgiving o Christian music mo nang dira sa gitawag na to holiday music. So,
13. Indie pop is a genre of alternative rock music that originated in the United Kingdom in the mid-1980s with its root in Scottish post-punk bands of Postcard Records, labeled in the early 80s, and Joseph K. and Orange Juice, and the dominant UK independent band of the mid-80s, The Smith. Indie pop was inspired by punk, DIY ethic, and related ideologies, and it generated a thriving fanzines, labeled and club and gig circuit. Indie pop differs from indie rock to the extent that is more melodic, less abrasive, and reliability hangs. 14. Gospel music is a genre of Christian music. Gospel music is composed and performed for many purposes including aesthetic pleasure, religious or ceremonial purposes. And as an entertainment product for the marketplace, gospel music usually has a dominant vocals, often with strong use harmony with Christian lyrics. Example, CCM, Christian metal, Christian pop, Christian rap, Christian rock, classic Christian, contemporary gospel, gospel Christian, and gospel praise and worship. 15. Instrumental music, classical instrumental. The instrumental category covers works for a single instrument, mostly keyboard and plucked instrument. Keyboard instrument included the piano, harpsichord, and organ. The most popular keyboard form is a piano sonata. Haydn, Mozart, and Beethoven and Schubert made major contribution. During the Romantic period, smaller form became very popular. Among them, miniature, tone, poems, and national dances such as Majoricas and Polonaise. Example of the classical instrument is the instrument music genre are marching band, classical march, and military march. So number 16, jazz music. Jazz music is characterized by blue notes and call and response vocal, much like jazz. The blues genres, therefore it's a swing style, through with a dominant element of improvisation, jazz in the world famous among intellectuals who call it one of the America's original forms of art. Example, the acid jazz, the avant-garde jazz, bebop, big band, blue note, and the contemporary jazz, soul, and more. 17. New Age music is a style of cheerify instrument music characterized by light, melodic, harmonized improvisation, and sound reproduced from the natural world intended to promote serenity. Example, environmental, healing, meditation, nature, relaxation, and travel. 18. Opera. The English word opera is an abbreviation of an Italian phrase. Opera is a musica, work in music. It denotes a theatrical work consisting of dramatic text or libretto, means booklet, that has been set to music and staged with scenery, costumes, and movement. Aside from the solo, ensembles, and choral singers on stage and a group of instrumentalists playing off stage, the performers of opera since inception have often included dancer. There are different types of opera, acte di ballet. Example, the types of opera, the acte di ballet, after piece of Agion Sacra, ballad opera, Borfa, ballad opera, and many more. So I was explaining the number 13. So the indie pop is an alternative rock of music that originated from the United Kingdom since mid-1980s. This is originated from the United Kingdom, and B records from the Fuscard that been originated in early 80s. Joseph K and Orange Juice is the one of the dominant UK independent band since mid-80s. So the indie pop is a long term of band or a pop that mostly used to famous rock, like because it's more melodic, less abrasive, and relatively hands-free. So ito po ay minsan ginagamit po ito sa mga Smith para ma-inspire nila yung mga DIY ethic and related ideologies na makukuha sa indie pop. Gospel music, ito po yung karaniwan ginagamit sa church kasi from the world gospel music, genre of Christian music. So again, as I was saying, gospel music, ito po ay karaniwan o lagi natin ginagamit during church, different religion, Catholic, Seventh-day Adventist, Christian, and INC. So ginagamit po ito bilang pagsamba, or ginagamit din ito sa pag ceremonial purpose, ritual. Mostly ginagamit din ito sa pag praise and worship during service, during pagsisimba. At ito po ay sagara na binubuo ng mga banda like elevation worship, depends sa anong Christianity or ano bang religion yung ginagamit. Then mostly ang ginagamit dito ay strong use of harmony. Then minsan may rap, may rock. And depende na po yun sa gumawa sa Christian music, gospel. Kasi minsan may Christian metal, Christian pop, Christian rock, classic, Christian, kundi po gospel. Minsan ginagamit yung mga kanta para ipahayag yung anong pagpasalamat sa ating buhay na Panginoon. Next, the 15, the classical instrumental. Ito po ay category po siya na nagka-cover po na makikita lahat doon ng mga plucked instrument or yung keyboard. Yung pluck is mostly guitar or strings, or minsan ba yung piano. Makikita po natin dito kasi during sa romantic period, may maliliit po na forms ng mga pianos, national dance, miniature poems. Nagamit po ito sa pagtugtog para mapahayag yung art. Then sa piano, ito po ay ginamit nila Haydn, Mozart at Beethoven as covered. Nakagawa po sila ng major contribution during the romantic period. The 18, the jazz music is characterized blue notes. As I was saying, jazz music is characterized by blue notes. Ito po ay naging dominante sa element of revision sa world ng jazz. Ginagamit po ito ng mga acid jazz, gumagamit ng acid jazz, avant jazz, and the blue note, contemporary jazz, and more and more. Ito po ay tinatawag ng world famous among intellectuals sa tinatawag ng America's original form of art. Kasi nakikita po dito ang mga improvised na mga jazz. Minsan nirarumble yung mga mga notes, mga songs, mga band, ano bang mga sound. Nirarumble ito kasi ginagawa itong swing style. And 17, New Age, which is panahon natin ngayon. Music style is meditation. Minsan may tawag nila doon sa mga music na nakaka-relapse, nakaka-peace of mind. Minsan ginagawa natin meditation yung song, pinapakinggan natin yung message ng song to listening in it. Kaya minsan, for example, tayo ay pupunta ng Manila, minsan nagkaka-connect tayo ng mga headphones, AirPods, at ginagawa nating hobby yung pakikinig ng music during travel or biyahe or kahit saan ka man. Minsan ginagamit din itong entertainment like that. So 18, opera is nag-start po siya ng 1980s dun baga. Then sa naranasan kong opera or nakita ko sa mga movies, yung opera is the English word opera, may may musika yung word na opera. Yung music minsan oblieto or booklet. Ito po ay yung opera binubuo ng vocalist, instrumentalist, at marami pang performers or dancers. Minsan gumagamit po ng maestro. Makikita niyo may gumaganon, bumibit po. Then makikita natin yung mga choral singers na naka-proper costume. Aside from the solo, ensembles and the choral singers and instrumentalists playing off stage. Makita natin kung anong yung mga harmony nila, yung harmonized nila sound, sinasabayan ng beat during the maestro waving their wand, or yung pagkumpas ng tuno, para makita natin yung pagpakaspas ng maestro at masabayan ng mga instrumentalist, singer, at lahat po ng violin, trumpet, lahat ng instrument na nandun.